cover there. Smittybilt sent me a new motor, brake assembly, new seals. So after I dismounted this, make sure take footage of which one goes. There's that very color coded red. Motor. See how easy it is. So after removing 4 Allen heads, slide this thing off. All dirt in there. Took all the cables off already, so yeah, hopefully it's gonna be easy to swap out. Let's see how we're gonna get this out of here. Go cracking it loose. We got leakage. Whoa! Ain't that something? Ooh. Have to do some cleaning. Oh wow. Protect the snap-on. Ooh. Should have did this in the garage. I've left everything as it is because Smittybilt's sending me a new gearbox. So, be this whole assembly that attaches onto here. There's 2 Allen heads holding it from the top. And I just learned that there is nothing holding the bottom, because when the bottom is mounted to the frame, or wherever it is, that's the support at the bottom. So up top you just got these 2 bars. And then that's where that mounts. So this should just come right up. Same from the other side. So I was supposed to just take off this side and change out this side that's bad. There's probably water in it, but this side also, I'm glad I took it off because there's a lot of water inside of there. Probably about almost halfway full from Harvey. It's been sitting in there for 2 years. Maybe 3. So that's how my package came. Literally, as if somebody dug in there to see what was in here. Hopefully everything is here. A brand new one. I just tried it out. I spun this gear with free spool in it. Spun freely, and then when it was on engage, it was locked up. And the plastic ring goes into the center, and the rubber ring goes all around that lip right there. Ready? So, taking off those 2 Allen heads, took it off. So, see the plastic and the rubber O-rings. Got the old one there. So, looks pretty clean. So, got the gearbox on. Just gotta work it on, and then just took the old motor off. Had to give it a little tap with the rubber mallet. It was a little stuck on there, probably from this centerpiece, but no, not too bad. Alright, so we got the new gearbox on, and just got the wires back on, tightened up. Made sure I checked this side as well. Let's put this cover back on. Alrighty, 4 Allen heads there. Here's the old motor, pretty rusty. See a little bit of, there's the brake motor. Looks pretty bad. So I realized water can get into this assembly, but it's the O-rings inside of here that keep water out. Plastic in the middle, and then a rubber around that. So got both sides are going to be new O-rings. Same synthetic rope. But I am very happy with Smittybilt. I let them know that I got this as a gift when they first came out. First motor on, gearbox, wireless remote. Oh yeah.